we are still depending so much on the executive. Mr. Speaker, devolution will not work. Mr. Speaker, I've seen a comment, which I take with great exception, as a recommendation that the committee of the Senate says, let us pursue the recommendation given by the President that we scale down. Scaling down, as it may be for the Tharaka Nithi Assembly, but honestly, that is a matter that has to be decided by the people of Tharaka Nithi. And if this Senate is to recommend, it is based on the division of revenue, based on the CARA, on how much money we give to the county. Mr. Speaker, I've seen another misdemeanor here saying that the ESCC has got powers to stop the control of budget from releasing money. Mr. Speaker, the Constitution is quite clear that article, I think it's Article 225, if I'm not wrong, that gives directions on how money can be stopped from being sent to a county. And it is only for a very short period of time. I think it's 90 days, if I'm not wrong. In fact, it says 225(4), it says a decision to stop the transfer of funds under Clause 3 may not stop the transfer for more than 50% of the funds due to county government. A decision to stop, number 5, to stop the transfer of funds as contemplated in Clause 3 shall not stop the transfer of funds for more than 60 days, Mr. Speaker. So when, Mr. Speaker, I see a report of this Senate indicating that the control of budget had received a caveat set by ESCC, Mr. Speaker, I begin to question our understanding of the rule of law. ESCC cannot stop any money from being sent to a county. The Constitution is clear. The maximum you can stop, if there are any reasons, and if we read Article 225, it is quite clear on who can stop that money and for how what period of time.